Meaning of incompetently.
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 Incompetently. The term incompetently refers to a situation in which a task or activity is completed in a way that is marked by a lack of skill, expertise, or ability. When someone performs a task incompetently, it can often result in poor outcomes, mistakes, and errors that could have been avoided if the task had been performed more competently. Incompetent performance can also cause frustration, delays, and other negative consequences. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure that tasks are undertaken by individuals who possess the necessary skills and expertise to complete them effectively and efficiently.